Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hey, welcome to my chaos. We know I'm going to have a salad, so I pull all the fixings out. And then I pulled out the options that I'll have to eat tomorrow. Looks like this is an Italian bake, and that is pulled pork. I think I'm going to do pulled pork for lunch tomorrow. So that has some seasonings on it, but I'm going to add in some of this bear rub that my mama brought me from Alaska. Come on. I don't like when seasonings try to determine how much they're going to let me have. So, all right. So now I'm going to take this. I'm not going to add any sauce tomorrow because I'm going to have plenty in my salad. So let's get our salad ready. If you count your macros, set your container on a scale. And I can't tell you how much you need of each vegetable. It's going to be trial and error. I did this method the whole time I was keto and counting calories. And I kind of knew how much of each thing I used at that time. I knew how much of the shredded cabbage I needed. I knew how much of each thing. You know, once you do it a couple times, well, more than that. Once you do it several times, you kind of learn how much of each thing you want. I did net carbs in the sense of I did not care if the fiber in my vegetables helped me. So let me say this. I used an app called Cronometer, Cronometer. And it's orange and it has like a white outline of an apple. This is cucumbers. And so I use that app. And so you can set it to whether you want sugar alcohols to count against you or not, vegetable fiber. So you can set that app so it can be net carbs, but the way you want your net carbs. So I know I did not zero this out in between anything, but when I was counting, I would set my little dealie on here. And I would zero it out, and I would add my cabbage. And then I would zero it out, and I would add whatever, and zero it out and add whatever. So in between each thing, you know, you zero it out, and then you write down whatever amount of vegetables you've just put into your container. So like this, onions would be 38 grams. And then jicama, don't zero it out with your spoon in it because that doesn't really help. Jicama would be 110 grams right now. Then zucchini, this is zucchini, zero it out, and it would be 64 grams. And you just keep doing that, and you weigh everything out that you're putting in there. And lastly, we'll put in some rutabaga. You just put it all in, and then you write it down on a piece of paper, or if you're not using your phone to record it, you can plug it in as you use it. And actually, I lied. I'm going to put in a few of these banana peppers. So you just make sure you plug it in, and you're going to learn through trial and error. Sometimes you might end up with 28 carbs. Sometimes you might end up with 17 carbs. So, you know, you kind of have to try it out and play around with it a little bit and see what works for you. So we're going to do our roasted garlic. We're going to do some Lawry's Total seasoning here. And we're going to do some Greek seasoning. I know we're going to add some dressings to it and some paprika. I know we're going to add some dressings to it, and that's great too. But I like a variety of flavors. on my salad. So now I'm just going to kind of rutabaga down. Just kind of shuffling it up here a little bit, just kind of getting the seasonings all through. Then I'm going to set it back up on top of my scale because there are just some things I do not trust myself to eyeball. And that includes my Walden Farm Thousand Island dressing. It's almost all gone. I might just see how much. I'll just finish it off. So that's 41, but I'm not going to cry about it. Then I'm going to use, I really enjoy this honey mustard and Polynesian mixture. So then I'll try to do 15 of the honey mustard, but no guarantees. Okay, 27, not even near 15. Oh, ended up being 30. So now I'm going to put in some of this G. Hughes Polynesian. Try not to get too carried away. All right, stop right there. 19 anyway. So there's that. I'll get my lid on it. These veggies down here. I'm going to put my salad in here. I'll put my pulled pork in here. And then, you know what I left across the room every time. So I've got my yogurt. This is vanilla yogurt and egg muffin. Let me go grab my apple. Okay. And I've got one apple I'm going to put in there. And I'm actually going to put a few tomatoes in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to take these and I'm going to have them with my breakfast in the morning. Hang on. My mama taught me this, that you should look and see if there's any that's kind of getting bad. Then you want to take those, but that one's got a little wrinkle on it. All right. So I'll take this in here, and that's going to be my breakfast, lunch tomorrow. Up. I don't remember putting a spoon in, but if I have an extra one, that'll be okay. Put my spoon in. I already made up my coffee. This is one of those times I'm thankful that I'm a hoarder and I don't throw things away because I did not have enough coffee. So I topped it off with water and some instant coffee. Yay, Terry. Yay, hoarder Terry. So that goes in my refrigerator and I will see you in the morning. Hey, really quick, I'm leaving the gym. I went to the gym this morning. If you'd even want to, I have a playlist and it's called Gym, like GYM, and I've made it public. And some of it's going to have profanity lyrics in it because there's just some songs that pump me up when I'm there. And some of it's just motivational talking. But anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you all. I've got to have a gym playlist of things that I play while I'm at the gym. If you want to listen to any of them, you're welcome to. If not, it's okay. It's just a playlist. Okay, bye. Good morning. It's breakfast time. I've got my tomatoes, my vanilla yogurt, and my egg muffin. And that's what I'm having this morning. I've just been eating these room temperature. They're so handy dandy. So, okay. Bye. Lunchtime, and I got my pulled pork. I got my salad. I got my apple. So, see what we think. Try another bite. That bear rub is good, Mama. Goodbye. So here's the thing. After work, I went to my dentist. Got my teeth cleaned. They're not perfectly white, but they're clean. I drink too much Kool-Aid and coffee and tea for them to be perfectly white. Anyway, But he said my teeth look really good, no cavities or anything. I've not had cavities since I changed how I'm eating. My teeth are really good. Anyway, he did say, or afterwards, my mom's been having trouble with dizziness, not from sitting to standing, so it's not like an orthostatic, blood pressure problem. It's when she's laying down and sits up, or sits up and lays down. So she, my sister is a physical therapist, one of them, and she had me go to Mom's and perform this specific maneuver on her. And so I did. And, I don't like making my mama hurt. She's my BFF. She's my heart. And so it hurt my heart to make her not feel good. I made her dizzy and she almost threw up. But, I'm a nurse, so that part's nothing. That part ain't a big deal for me. But anyway, I don't like making my mama not feel good. It is, where's the clock? 6:30, and I just got home. So I'm not roasting vegetables. I've got some butternut squash here. It's hot in places. But I'm going to microwave that again. And Italian bake. I'm going to put a little cinnamon. Where's that cinnamon? Where'd that cinnamon go? Seasonal. I could show you what I'm doing. Hang on. Let's see. No. Let's put just a little bit of ground cinnamon in here. So butternut squash. What do you all season your butternut squash with? I think cinnamon would be good. Maybe a little bit of pumpkin. Maybe a little pumpkin pie spice and maybe a pinch of nutmeg. Not a lot, just a little bit of nutmeg. Listen, half the time you all hear me talk about seasoning, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I just grab stuff and I like the name of a word. I like the way something smells, so I just use it. So that's kind of how I do my seasonings 9 out of 10 times. Anyway, so I'm going to cover it back up. But what do you put in your butternut squash for those of you who eat it? For those of you who partake in the butternut squash. I know I could put some butter in there, but I don't have any butter. So I'm going to put this back in the microwave and I'll be back. I'm trying to make this quick tonight. But I've got this like a berry blend of fruit. I've got a tropical fruit blend and a fruit salad blend. I'm going to put it all together. This is Old Basin from a hospital. If you've ever been in the hospital, you know what this is. But man, they make such good things. So anyway, I'm going to dump these 3 fruits into here. Nope, nope, no, no, no. Okay, I've got it all in here. Some of it's a big chunk. Nope. There's grapes in it, so I'm trying to be really careful because of the dogs. Dogs can't have grapes or raisins. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop some into Ziploc bags. Hang on. Okay, so now that's cooked a little longer and that's cooked a little longer. So where's my spoon? Let's try it. I might end up putting a little bit of, might not, oh here it is. Might end up putting a little bit of stevia, but let's see what we think. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Oh my, hold up a lot. All right, well, let's go with what we know we like. So first off is our Italian bake. The recipe for this, if you go to my playlist, meal prep, it'll be there. That's some good stuff, Maynard. Really good stuff. I'm treating this butternut squash kind of like I would treat sweet potato. That's why I put on the cinnamon and the stuff that I put on. Now, like I said, if I would have had some butter, I think that'd be good, but I don't really need those extra calories, so I don't really keep butter around. And I don't want to put any bacon grease in it. So, I see. Yeah, that's good. I think you could or could not, either way. Okay. There we go. Put just a little bit in there. See what that does. No, buddy, you ain't getting none of this. I love you, but no sirree, Bob. You don't get none of this tonight. Nope, nope, and nope. Oh! Tastes just like sweet potato. You ain't gonna miss no sweet potato. Yeah, this is a higher carb vegetable. So I apologize to those. I mean, I ate butternut squash and I ate rutabaga. I ate those things as I was on my way down because I was counting calories and carbs. So I ate some of these on my way down. I just did it sparingly. You just got to weigh it out so you know exactly how many you're getting. It's all about your budget. It's all about how you want to manage your calorie budget and carb budget. So, and got this thing of fruit. So, okay.